Hello viewers, if you face this type of problem, which is there is no internet connection or unable to connect to the internet, how to fix this problem? Let's see. First of all, open CMD, run as administrator. From the comment box, type here ipconfig /flash DNS, then press enter. Successfully flashed the DNS, resolve cache, and type here again ipconfig /renew, then press enter. Your existing IP configuration will be fixed. Yes. After this apply, you can try internet connection. I hope your problem will be solved. If not, then you can try another way. I'm exiting here and type here msdt.exe space id space network diagnostics web web, then press enter. This window will be appear. Then please click on advance and select this and then click next. Then please select troubleshoot my connection to the internet. I hope after this apply, your internet problem will be resolved. Yes, this problem has been fixed. Now you can try to search internet which is work or not. I hope after apply this option, your problem will be fixed. 100% work. Again you can try. I hope there is no issue. Yes, troubleshoot could not identify any problem. Okay, you can search internet for connection is established. Yes, I am typing in Gentech. Yes, it's working. That's it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.